Alright, what's up guys? Today we're Monday 17 and right now it's 9:26, so we have 4 minutes before markets open. This is what it's look like, my analysis. So we have the sessions. We had this gap right there, but on the 4-hour, this is the main one. And then on the 5-minute we adjusted it, and then this 1 hour we adjusted it too. Right now I'm looking for price to come into this zone, so Asia high, and then have a reaction, or it may come into here and then have a reaction. We'll see. It all depends what's gonna happen. So yeah, once I get my confirmation, I'll get back to the video. There's 1 minute left, so and yeah, we'll see. I'm on my combine right now, so I am risking heavier just to get it done, but the rules are still here, so it doesn't matter. I'm just risking more to finish it faster. So yeah, maybe I can get a 1 2 3 today. We'll see. It all depends. And yeah, this is the setup right now, and this is what I'm gonna take. If I take a W, I'm done for the day. An L, I'm done for the day. And yeah, that's about it. So 20 seconds left. And the news, we had 8:30 news right there, but really nothing after it. So all right, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys live how I trade, I guess. One thing I don't like with this trading view is you don't get second by second, you know. On top step you can see the candle getting in and out, but right there you don't. Okay, so let's wait a little bit longer. I want the better entry. Okay, like that is correct. My stop loss is wide enough that I wouldn't really matter if I just wait for another second. So yeah, after that I can close it. Now this is a 1 to 2. If I aim, I can only make 3k, so I will put this right there, see if I can catch it, but ideally 1 to 2 would be better, and would be safer, I mean, and yeah, we'll see. So as we can see guys already, it seems like it's working, huh? And yeah, I don't care if it ends up coming back. I'm not breaking even, and I'm not taking profit midway. I'm just gonna let it play out. Either I win, either I lose. I don't like to break even, just in case we have a pullback. So but yeah, let's see on the 1 hour something. So yeah, you just need to trust the process, and whatever happens, we have other days, so it is what it is. We'll just see. If this ends up playing out, we may get profit in under 5 minutes again. Well, so yeah, I mean, this is as transparent as it gets, guys. I mean, trading live in front of you guys. But you guys already know my strategy, so now where it gets tricky for me is, do I look for more profit, you know, or do I just take my 1 to 2 and get out? This is one thing that I need to figure out. Because one thing I hate is when I break even and then it end up pulling back to break even, and then I'm just like, you know. Right now we already have our 1 to 2, but price seems to go more. We could hold all the way to here, but Like I said, I'm on my combine, I can't do that right now. So yeah. Now if price ends up coming back to here, I'll probably just get out, you know. But you see guys, that's not even 5 minutes. 5 minutes in, we already have our profit right there. Yeah, I'm gonna hold though. I will hold. We only need 300 more. And then I'll be pretty close. Tomorrow I'll need maybe only 2k to pass the account, so that's gonna be nice. $34. We have 1 minute left, and then before we have the new candle, I mean a new candle, yeah. Yeah, I don't know, we should be alright. Should be more than alright, to be honest. Unless the new candle just decide to pull back and mess with me, but no. But yeah, 1 hour gap per finite, and we have the session zone, and we have timing. That's already 3 things. That's good. Now you see guys, this is where I don't like, because I'm like, okay, my 122 got hit, I could have been done for the day, but imagine if it pulls back, then I'm like, no way, I just missed it because I aimed for more, you know, that stuff like that. But really my strategy, I just need to focus on my rules, and I'll be alright. Come on, just push up. We need $50 more. Alright, think we're alright then. Come on. But you know guys, that's crazy. Alright, we got our profit. In 5 minutes, guys. In 5 minutes. I just made 3k again. Alright, let me check something. So 104, 137. 6. 137. Alright, nice. I did get over a little bit, so they're gonna make me compensate for that. So say I just need 2,000 tomorrow, and I'll be alright. Let me get this out. But yeah, if I was on my main account, I would have aimed for here for sure. So a nice 3.5. But you guys can see, I'm giving you guys the game for free and everything. All I ask is just for you guys to subscribe. That's my goal right now, getting more subscribers. So if you guys want to join the Telegram too, I did post this analysis on it. So that's that. And yeah, under 5 minutes, I just made $3,000. I know it's on the combine, but still, I mean, the only reason it's on a combine because I want my XFA on TradingView right now. I find it way more easier right now because all my indicators are already there, and I just prefer the platform than TopStepX. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, please just subscribe. We mean a lot for me. And as you guys can see, under 5 minutes, 3k. People are still sleeping, imagine, or they're getting ready to go to their job, but no. Grateful, just need to do it consistently, and yeah. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow.